Right. Okay. Now we are going to revise the new lesson, beginning of the class. Lesson number 7, angles. Right. Do you know what's the meaning of angles? Angles mean what? Corner. Right. Angles can other corner. Right. Okay. You write down the main topic. Lesson number 7, angles. Lesson number 7, angles. Right. හැමෝම ලියාගන්න ප්‍රධාන මාතෘකාව lesson number 7, angles. Right. Okay. Angles. The singular meaning of the angles mean corner. Right. Corner. I think grade 5 class you also studied about corner, no? Corner ගැන ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙනවා. Right. Now the more theories we are going to discuss about the angles today. Okay. Right. Right. First, we are going to discuss about straight line segments. Okay, straight line segments. Okay, you write down the subtopic of your book, straight line segment. Straight line segment. Right. Straight line segment mean what? Straight mean sarala. Keling කියන එක. Line mean රේඛාව. Segment mean ඛණ්ඩය. එහෙනම් මොකද්ද මේකේ තේරුම? සරල රේඛා ඛණ්ඩ. Straight line segment. සරල රේඛා ඛණ්ඩ. Okay, straight line segment. Right. Now look at how you can draw the straight line segment. For drawing the straight line segment, you have to use your ruler and the pencil. So you take the ruler and your pencil. Okay, then look at how you can draw the straight line segment. I can draw like that. I keep the ruler, then also I will take my pencil. Then I can draw like that straight line segment. Okay. Now look at this. That's the straight line segment. Then also, after you draw the straight line segment, you can write the two ends of this either side. Okay, මේ දෙපැත්තේ තියෙන ends දෙක අවසන් කෙළවරවල් දෙකේ අපිට පුළුවන් you can write the letters, English letters. Okay, English capital letters you can write. I will write this one as capital A, this one is capital B. Then I think all of you have the name, no? ඔගොල්ලෝ හැමෝටම නමක් තියෙනවනේ නේද? ඉහන්සා, මිතිල, පුදම්සා, සමාධි නේද? ඔහොම නම් තියෙනවා. හරි? ඒ වගේ අපිට මේ straight lines වලටත් නම් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ කොහොමද? දිනෙත්‍යා, හෙසන්‍යා එහෙම කියලාද? මෙයා හෙසන්‍යා. ඊට පස්සේ තවල අඳින එකක් දිනෙත්‍යා. එහෙමද? නෑ නෑ. ඒගොල්ලන්ට එහෙම නෑ. එහෙනම් සිරිපාල, කමලවති, සෝමපාල එහෙමද? නෑ, එහෙමත් නෙවෙයි. එහෙනම් කොහොමද දෙන්නේ? මේගොල්ලන්ට දෙන්නේ අපි මේ letters use කරලා. හරිද? මෙයාගේ නම මොකක්ද? What is the name of this straight line? AB straight line. Right? AB straight line. AB straight line. හරි එයාගේ නම මොකද්ද? AB straight line. හරි අර දෙකලවරේ තියෙන අකුරු දෙක use කරලා තමයි letters දෙක use කරලා තමයි අපි එයාගේ නම කියන්නේ. හරි? That's the AB straight line. Okay, then also you can draw another straight line. Okay, දැන් මේකට පැත්තක් නෑ ඕන පැත්තකට හරවලා අඳින්න පුළුවන් අපිට straight line එක. දැන් මම මගේ rule එක මෙහෙම හරවලා right, I can draw another straight line here. Look at this. That's the another straight line. Okay, I will name as it PQ. So what is this straight line? PQ straight line. Okay, PQ straight line. Okay, quickly draw like that 2 examples for the straight lines. Then I think it is enough. You can understand no about the straight lines. Okay, right. Now you know what's the meaning of a straight line. Okay, right. Now look at what I am going to do. Right, I finished all of you this work. Or anyone still doing? Yes, no. Quickly you do this work, okay? Because quickly we have to complete this first term syllabus. Hari ikmanta වැඩ ටික කරමු. Don't waste the time. Right. Okay, now look at what I am going to do next. Okay, I'll clean the screen. Right. Now look at the screen carefully. I will draw the straight line like that. Okay. Also I will draw another straight line. Then if you produce this one, produce mean what? Dik karanawa. If you produce this one, and also I can produce this line, then look at these two straight lines meeting at this point. Right? මේ lines දෙක මොනවද වෙන්නේ? මෙහෙම එක තැනකදී මුණ ගැහෙනවා. Right? Right? Okay? මුණ ගැහෙනවා නේද? Meeting point. Right? This meeting point is known as, after meeting these like that two straight lines, we can see the create of the angle. Where's the angle? Here. Right? I will erase this unwanted line. That's the angle. Right? How angle form? By meeting the two straight lines. Okay? කොහොමද angle එකක් හැදෙන්නේ? මේ වගේ straight lines දෙකක් මුණ ගැහිලා තමයි angle එකක් හැදෙන්නේ. Okay? That's the representing method of the angle, like that curved line. මේ වගේ වක්‍ර රේඛාවක් භාවිතා කරලා තමයි අපි straight line එකක් අඳින්නේ. Okay? Right. Quickly you draw this figure. Not need to write down the heading. Okay? Subtopics. Natalia asks, what is the heading of the main topic? No, lesson name. Lesson number 7, angles. Right? Lesson number 7, angles. Okay, I finished this work. Did you draw the angle? Right, okay. Lot of students completed, no? Okay. All of you try to on the videos, okay? Then I can see all of you. It is better, no? Especially the online classes. Right, okay. Finish, no? Okay, a lot of students finish, okay. Right. Then you write down like that. I will give the small note. Write down this note. Okay, so some students send the message they have the power cut. Okay, it is no problem. If you haven't the problem of without with the power cut or connection problem, without the connection problem, you try to on the video. So right now you write down this small note. Right, write down an angle is formed. An angle is formed by meeting two straight lines at a point. An angle is formed by meeting two straight lines at a point. Right, that's the angle form method. Okay, an angle is formed by meeting two straight lines at a point. මෙන්න මේ වගේ straight lines දෙකක් එක point එකකදී meet උනායින් පස්සේ අන්න එතන හැදෙනවා angle එකක්. Right, okay, are you clear how form the angle? Okay, right, then we are going to discuss about what are the main parts of the angle. You have to get the correct idea about what are the main parts of the angle. I think all of you have the main elements, no? Main body parts, right? You have two hands, legs, head, shoulders, no? Stomach, නේද ගොඩක් අවයව තියෙනවනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ. අන්න ඒ වගේ angles වලටත් තියෙනවා parts ටිකක්. Right, now we are going to discuss what are the main parts of the angle. Okay, you write down the subtopic of your book, main parts of the angles. Okay, main parts of the angle. New subtopic, write down main parts of the angle. Right, now all of you know how we can draw the angle, no? Right, any type of angle you can draw. Again, I will draw the angle, okay, like that. That's the one straight line. And this one is another straight line, okay? Then I can form an angle here. How we represent the angle? Using the curved line, like that, right? Okay, again, quickly you draw like that angle of your book. I sent the note about this lesson. Did you read it? කියවද note එක? Right. Right. Now look at what are the main parts of the angle. There are two main parts we can identify the angles. No? What are the two main parts? Like that, straight lines and meeting point. No? These straight lines, we can give the special name. Look at the special name of like that straight lines. Okay, there are two straight lines. They are known as arms of the angles. Okay, what's the name? Arms. How many arms of the angle? There are how many? 5 arms. 2 arms. Okay, there are 2 arms. Arms dekai. Quickly write down it. Name as the arms, these straight lines. Right, then look at these 2 arms meeting at a point. No, this meeting point is known as the special name. You remember the name vertex. Right, this point is known as vertex of the angle. Right, මේ point එකට කියන special name එකක් මොකක් කියලාද? Vertex. Vertex of the angle. How many vertex of the angle? 1 vertex. Okay, there are 2 arms and 1 vertex. Right, that's the main parts of an angle. Okay, first you remember what are the main parts of the angle. Okay, there are 2 arms. These straight lines are known as arms, and this meeting point is known as vertex. Right, then we are going to discuss another special part. That's the main part of this lesson. Right, we have to identify types of angles. Right, especially you remember there are 5 types of angles we have to study. Right, in grade 5 class, how many types you studied about the angles? Dinetya, what are the types you studied in grade 5 class?
3.
3 types. What are the 3 types? මොනවද වර්ග 3 ඉගෙන ගත්තේ ඒවා? Not in English, Sinhala, okay? Grade 5 සිංහලෙන් ඉගෙන ගන්න. සිංහලෙන් කියන්න බලන්න මොනවද ඉගෙන ගත්තේ ඒවා? කාටද මතක? ඉහන්සා. What are the types?
සුජු කෝණ, මහ කෝණ සහ සුළු කෝණ.
ඍජු කෝණ, සුළු කෝණ, මහා කෝණ කියලා තුනක් ඉගෙන ගත්තානේ. දැන් අපි grade 6 එකේදී English medium වලුත් ඒ තුන ඉගෙන ගන්නවා. හරි? ඒ තුනට අමතරව තව දෙකකුත් ඉගෙන ගන්න. හරි, සිංහල ඉගෙන ගත්ත කියලා නෑ. ඒවත් අපි ආයෙත් ඉගෙන ගන්නවා. grade 5 වලදී කියලා නෑ. ආයෙත් ඒවා තියෙනවා අපිට. ඊට අමතරව තව දෙකක් ඒකට add වෙනවා. Right. Okay. Then you write down Next subtopic, types of angles. Write down the subtopic, types of angles. Types of angles. Right, that's a special part, okay, important part of this lesson. මේක තමයි වැදගත් දේ මේ පාඩමේ තියෙන ප්‍රධාන කොටස් දෙක මොනවද කියලා අඳුර ගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ මේ වර්ග පහ මොනවද? ඔච්චරයි lesson එක. Right, very short lesson, no? Short and sweet. නේද? කෙටි රසයි නේද? Right. Okay, you write down the note. There are 5 types of angles. There are 5 types of angles. There are 5 types of angles. Then you write down number 1. අපි දැන් බලමු මොනවද මේ 5 types කියලා. Number 1, right angles. Right angles. Right angles mean what? What's the Sinhala mean? ඍජු කෝණ. Right? ඍජු කෝණ. If you want, you can note down Sinhala meaning, okay? It is no problem. But always you try to understand in English medium, okay? In English. ඍජු කෝණ. Okay, before going to discuss about the right angles, I will draw some figures of the screen, okay? Can you tell me? I drew an angle, no? Shiny? Shiny, look at the screen. I drew an angle, no? Yes or no? මම angle එකක් නේද මේ ඇන්දේ?
Yes.
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 Yes. Pesanna, what do you think about? This one is an angle or not?
Yes, sir. It is an
Yes. It is an angle, no? Okay. Mithila?
No, sir.
No? Why?
Angle එකේ straight lines දෙක එකට එකතු වෙලා නැහැ.
පොඩි දෙයක් තිබිලා තියෙනවානේ. අනිත් අයට ඇස් පෙන්නලා නැහැ. Right. බලන්න මෙතන එකතු වෙලාද? ඔන්න මම පොඩ්ඩක් zoom කරන්නම් මේක. එකතු වෙලාද? මේ නෑ නේද? එහෙනම් ඒක angle එකක්ද? It is not an angle, okay? හරි එකතු වෙන්න ඕන මේක angle එකක් වෙන්න නම්, right? Not meeting point, no? It hasn't the vertex. හරි දැන් හිතුව මේක angle එකක් කියලා නේද? මම ඒක ටිකක් එහාට කරලා ඇන්දේ. Right? Okay. It is not the angle. Angle එකක් නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් meet වෙන්න ඕන. Right. ඒවත් හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න. Right. Now we are going to discuss about the right angles, okay? Right angles. Right. Now look at the shape of the right angle. You remember right angle I can draw like that. That's one arm and this one is the other arm, right? Like this one is a wall, no? Wall of the house. Like this one like as the floor, right? Wall එකයි floor එකයි හම්බෙන තැන වගේ නේද මෙතන. So also you remember the special symbol we can use to represent the right angle. Normally we can use the represent the angle like that curved line, no? But to represent the right angle, you can use like that square shape. That's a special method to represent the right angle. හරි අපි මේ විදිහට මේ කොටු හැඩයට තමයි right angle එකක් normally mark කරන්නේ. Right. Quickly you draw the shape of the right angle of your book. You use different color to represent the symbol, okay? Different color using, you draw this symbol. This symbol, to draw the symbol, you use different color. Right? Now, ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගාව තියෙන different color pen එකක් අරගෙන ඒක mark කරගන්න red, blue, any color, okay? Green color, pink color, yellow color, anyone. Right, then you write down in front of it. If you have the space in front, you can write in front or bottom, okay? පැත්තෙන් ඉඳ තියනවා පැත්තෙන් ලියන්න, එහෙම නැත්නම් පහලින් ලියන්න මේ විදිහට. දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ ලියපු කලර් එක ලියන්න, හරිද? මාක් කරපු කලර් එක ලියන්න. දැන් මම රෙඩ් කලර් එකෙන් මාක් කරපින්ද මම ලියන්න රෙඩ් ලයින් කියලා, okay? රෙඩ් කලර්. ඕගොල්ලෝ බ්ලූ ලියුවා නම් බ්ලූ කලර්, ග්‍රීන් වලින් මාක් කරා නම් ග්‍රීන් කලර්. ඒ තමන් කරපු කලර් එක ලියන්න. Red color symbol, red color symbol is used to denote mean represent, නිරූපණය කරනවා, to denote a right angle, to denote a right angle. right, එහෙනම් මෙන්න මේ වගේ red color symbol එකක් තමයි මම මේ අදපු red color එකෙන් අදපු symbol එක තමයි අපි right angle එකක් represent කරන්න, නිරූපණය කරන්න use කරන්නේ. Right, okay. Right, then we are going to discuss about, can you tell me where you can see the right angles in the environment of your surrounding? Who can give the answer? ඔගොල්ලෝගේ අවට වටපිටාවේ තියෙන right angles පේන්න තියෙන තැන් ටිකක් කියන්න බලන්න. Who know? Hands up. Bosadi, no? Okay, what is the answer, Bosadi?
Corner of the table.
Corner of the table, no? right? Corner of the table, you can see like that right angle. නේද? පේනවා නේද corner එකේ තියෙනවා. Yes. ඉහන්සා
corner of the window.
corner of a window, right? ගෙදරක ජනේල් එක නේද? අර ජනේල් පියනේ කොනේ තියෙනවා right angle එක. Okay, another who can give the answer? Nidushi,
Corner of the door.
corner of the door. Yes, corner of the door. Get me.
Corner of the bed.
Corner of the bed. Yes, okay. Sandali,
Corner of the wall.
corner of the wall. විත්තියක මුල්ලක් නේද? Yes, corner of the wall. Right. Dinetya,
Corner of the oven.
corner of the oven. Oven. Okay. අර ඔය එක එක ඒවා හදන්න ගන්නේ නේද? පාන්, කේක් ඒවා හදන්න ගන්න oven එක. Corner of the oven. Right. Hesanya,
The corner of the ruler.
corner of the ruler. Yes, corner of the ruler. Okay. Udamsa,
Corner of the book.
corner of the book. Right. Okay. It is enough, no? Right. On the ගොඩක් examples ඇහුවා කට්ටිය නේද? Right. And also corner of the whiteboard, no? Corner of the blackboard, corner of the calendar, right?
Corner of the phone.
Corner of the phone. But some phones are not rectangular shape, no? Like a curved shape. Like සමහර ඒවා මෙහෙම තියෙනවා curve වෙලා. එහෙමනම් ගොඩක් අඩුයි නේද? Okay. Right. එහෙනම් ඒ වගේ ඔයගොල්ලෝගෙන් questions අහන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ නිකම්ම door කියලා ලිව්වොත් ඒක වැරදි. කොහෙද door එකේ කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ? Corner of the door. Right. මුල්ලක. Right. Okay. Right. That's the magnitude of angle. Okay. This angle magnitude. What's the meaning of magnitude? Magnitude mean විශාලත්වය. Right? Magnitude කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? විශාලත්වය. Timesh, why you angry with me? Okay, I will give the chance. Okay, another question. Right, man. වෙන එකදී අහන්න. Right. Okay, magnitude means what? විශාලත්වය. Right? That's the magnitude of the angle of right angle. Okay, මෙන්න right angle එකේ විශාලත්වය. මෙන්න මේ ටික තමයි right angle එකේ විශාලත්වය. Right? Magnitude mean what? The angle between the two arms. Arms දෙක අතර තියෙන කෝණය තමයි මේ විශාලත්වයට තමයි අපි magnitude කියලා කියන්නේ. Right? If you want, you can note down the magnitude. Okay, මේ වගේ වචන මේ lesson එකේදී හම්බ වෙනවා. ඒතර magnitude කියනකොට නේද නොදන්න කෙනෙක් බලනවා මොකද්ද මේ magnitude? අලුත් දෙයක්ද? නෑ අලුත් දෙයක් නෙවෙයි විශාලත්වය. Right? Magnitude. Okay, now I am going to discuss the second type of angles. Right? That's a one type. Okay, right angles. Now you know what is the shape of the right angle and where you can see the right angles in the environment. No? Okay, the environment එකේ තියෙන්නේ මේවා. Right. Then you write down number 2. Number 2 write down. That's the second type. What? Acute angles. Right? Number 2, acute angles. Also, you remember the spellings, okay? Acute angles. You have to write the acute angles with yourself, right? Without help the teachers for the paper. So you have to remember the spellings. Hari? හොඳට පාඩම් කරලා තියාගන්න spellings. Acute angles. Acute angles mean what? සුළු කෝණ. right? Acute angles mean what? Sulu corner. Acute angles. Now look at the shape of the acute angles, okay? Look at the shape of an acute angle. I will draw an arm. That's the arm, okay? If I draw the arm, other arm like that, what is the shape of angle? What is this? Which type? It is a right angle, no? So you have to draw an acute angle magnitude less than right angle. හරි right angle එකට වඩා අඩු වෙන්න තමයි අපි අනිත් arm එක අඳින්න ඕන. අඩු වෙනවා කියන්නේ මොන පැත්තටද? මේකෙන් මේ පැත්තට නේද? right? මේකෙන් මේ පැත්තට වෙන්න අනිත් arm එක අඳින්න ඕන. right? So you can draw the other arm like that. Right? Like that. Like that. These all are which type? Acute angles. Okay, right? You draw one angle. One example you draw. Right. Now look at what's the meaning of acute angles. Okay. Right. Acute angles mean you write the description. If you have the space sideway, you can note down here. If you haven't the space here, you can note down under the angle. Okay. Also you mark the angle like that. අපි angle එක මේ විදිහට curve line එකකින් mark කරනවා. හරි? Right. You write down the description about the acute angle. If the magnitude of an angle is less than a right angle, less than a right angle, it is known as an acute angle. Right, okay, I think Now you finish note down, no? But I think I can see some students still writing, no? Some Rehans are still writing, no? Okay, finish. Right, okay, both of the finish and a lot of students finish, no? Okay. Right, okay, finish. හරි මම දැන් මේ අපේ අර රිවිෂන් ක්ලාස් එකක් හින්දා තමයි මේ ඕගොල්ලෝ මියුට් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? නැත්නම් පර්මනන්ට් ක්ලාස් එකක් නම් මියුට් කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඕගොල්ලන්ට ඕන විදිහට ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. ඕගොල්ලෝ කැමතිද ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න? අන්මියුට් කරලා අහන්න කැමතිද? right. හරි. මම අන්මියුට් කරන්න දාන්නම්. හැබැයි අර සද්ද දාන්න එහෙම එපා වන්ද? අවශ්‍ය වෙලාවට විතරක් අන්මියුට් කරලා අහන්න. අනිත් හැම වෙලාවෙම මියුට් කරලා තියන්න. හරි? හරි එහෙම මොනවා හරි සද්ද දැම්මොත් මම කෙලිම මියුට් කරලා දානවා. හරි ඒකෙන්ද අනවශ්‍ය විදියට පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ නැතුව අවශ්‍ය වෙලාවට විතරක් ඔන් කරලා ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. Right, okay. Now you can unmute, okay? Necessary time you unmute and ask the questions. Also you try to on the videos, okay? Videos ටික on කරගන්න try කරන්න ගැටලු නැති අය. Right. Okay, that's the acute angles, okay? Then I am going to discuss our third type. You write down the third type, number 3. Straight angle. Straight angles. Straight angles. Straight angles mean sarala kona. I think it is new angle, no, for you. Grade 5 you didn't study. Right. Now look at what is the shape of a straight angle. It is very easy. Straight line, I think you remember, no? Straight line. Straight angles mean like that, okay? Look at how I can draw it. That's the one arm. That's the other arm. There are two arms meeting at this point, okay? That's the one arm and this one is other arm. Then you can see this angle, like that angles are known as straight angles, like a straight line, okay? Like a straight line. Sorry, there's a spelling wrong, no? Straight. Okay, straight angles, right? Also, I will draw another straight angle. You don't draw it. Look at this. That's a straight angle, no? If I draw another arm here, what is the type of this angle?
Right angle.
It is a right angle, no?
Right angle.
This one is a right angle. And can you tell me what is the type of this angle?
Also a right angle.
Yes, it is also a right angle, no? So you remember straight angles is equal to, magnitude is equal to two right angles. Right? මේ බලන්න right angles දෙකක් එකතු වෙලා තමයි straight angle එකක් මෙන්න මේ විදියට හැදෙන්නේ. Right? So you remember how you can discuss it. Write down the note about the straight angles. Write down the note. If the magnitude of an angle is equal to two right angles, yes.
So then you draw the straight angle.
Yes, first you draw the straight angle. Okay, under you write down number 3 straight angles, then you draw the straight angle, then you note down this note. If the magnitude of an angle is equal to two right angles is known as a straight angle.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you explain the magnitude again?
Magnitude singular meaning is vishalatva. Right? Value.
Okay, thank you, sir.
If the magnitude of an angle is equal to two right angles is known as a straight angle. A straight angle. Right? That's the third type. How many types? I mentioned earlier, you have to study about the types of angles. There are 5 types, no? There are 5 types. Now we studied about there are 3 types. Another 2 types we have to discuss. So, right. Next you write down number 4, fourth type.
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle, okay? Obtuse. Fourth one write down obtuse angles. O-B-T-U-S-E. Obtuse. Pronounce it.
Obtuse. Obtuse.
Obtuse, right? Obtuse. Yes. Okay.
Obtuse.
Obtuse.
Obtuse mean mahakona, right? Obtuse angles mean mahakona. Right? You don't draw anything. I will say if you want to draw this. Okay. First you look at, I will draw this one. What is this of an angle? This one is an arm, no? Straight line, no? It is an arm. If I draw the other arm like that, what is the type of an angle?
A right angle.
It's a right angle.
Right angle.
It is a right angle, no? I will draw another one, okay? Look at this. What is this angle? What is the type?
A straight angle.
A straight angle. Okay. A straight angle.
Right angle.
Right angle.
This one is a right angle. This one is a straight angle. Okay. Now I will draw another. Look at this. Now look at this one, magnitude. Okay. This magnitude is greater than the right angle, but less than a straight angle. හරි මේක magnitude එක බලන්න, විශාලත්වය බලන්න. එයාගේ විශාලත්වය right angle එකට වඩා වැඩි, straight angle එකට වඩා අඩු. පේනවද? එහෙනම් මට පුළුවන් මේක මට ඕන විදිහට මේ arm එක අඳින්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? මට ඕන නම් මේකම අඳිත හැකි. Right? Also I can draw like that. Like that. Right? Like that. Right? Like that. Any types I can draw. Okay. මේ ඔක්කොම මොනවාද? මෙන්න මේ කියන වර්ගයට. හරිද? Right. Okay. Now you draw this figure of your book. Right. Now look at this magnitude. It is greater than the right angle, no, but less than to a straight angle. Right. Quickly you draw like that figure. After you draw the diagram, also you write down this note. Okay. Okay, like that description write down about the obtuse angle. If the magnitude of an angle is greater than to a right angle එකට වඩා විශාලත්වය වැඩි නම් and less than to a straight angle. ඒ වගේම straight angle එකට වඩා විශාලත්වය අඩු නම් it is known as an obtuse angle. අන්න ඒ වගේ එකකට කියනවා අපි obtuse angle එකක් කියලා. Right, quickly complete. Okay, another one type we have to discuss about the angles. Now you know there are 4 types. Right, now I am going to discuss the last type. Okay, last type now I am going to discuss. Now what are the types you know about the angles? First we discuss about which one?
Right angle.
Right angles, no? Then second we discuss
Acute angle.
acute angle.
Acute
Third type we discuss
Straight angle.
straight angle. Then now finally we discuss about
Obtuse angle.
obtuse angle. Another one type we have to discuss. Okay, so you write down number 5.
Reflex angle.
Yes, number 5, write down reflex angles. Reflex angles. The Sinhala meaning of the reflex angle, paravarta kona. Also, I think this one another new type, no, for grade 6, right? You didn't study about this one in grade 5. Right, now look at how you can draw the reflex angles. Okay, look at the first type. It is a right angle, no? The other side of the right angle, look at, it is a reflex angle. Look at the acute angle. Also, this one is the acute angle, no? Other side of the acute angle, it is a reflex angle. Right, straight angle, other side also straight angle, no? Ne, අනිත් පැත්තත් ඒ වගේමනේ තියෙන්නේ නේද? Right, look at the obtuse angle. Also, the other side is, you can see, reflex angle. So you remember, reflex angle mean what? The magnitude of the angle. If the magnitude of the angle greater than straight angle. හරි, මේ straight angle එකට වඩා වැඩි වුණොත් අපි ඒකට කියනවා මොනවා කියලාද? Reflex angle. Right, like that shape. Okay, right. So you draw the reflex angle of your book. Right, like that. Any type you can draw, it is no problem. Okay, ඕනනම් දෙකක් විතර ඇඳ ගන්න.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
I can't understand what's the meaning of reflex angles. Can you tell it
reflex
again?
angle. Okay, reflex angle. First you draw these two, then I will explain again.
So do we need to write the both?
Yes, wait. I will give the note.
Okay, sir.
Right. If you can't understand about this, again I will explain. Okay. On අනිත් ඇලෙනකම් මම පොඩ්ඩක් මේක ආයෙත් explain කරන්නම්. Look at, I will draw the arm. Okay, that's the one arm. Then if I draw the other arm like that, this angle, what's the name? Straight angle, no? This one is a straight angle. Okay, that's the magnitude of the straight angle. Then if I draw this arm here, මෙහෙට මම මේ arm එක ගත්තොත්, right? Now look at what happened. This magnitude is increased, no? අර කලින් එකට වඩා වැඩි නේද මේ magnitude එක? Right? This one is greater than straight angle, no? Straight angle එකට වඩා විශාලත්වය වැඩි. හරිද? මෙන්න මෙහෙම greater straight angle එකට වඩා විශාලත්වය වැඩි වෙන විදියට angle එකක් ඇන්දොත් අපි ඒකට කියනවා මොනවා කියලාද? Reflex angle. Right? Can you understand or not? Still.
Yes, sir.
Okay. හරි හැමතිස්සෙම අර ස්ට්‍රේට් එක කෙනාට වඩා වැඩි. බලන්නකො මෙතන නේද? මේ බලන්න ස්ට්‍රේට් නම් මෙහෙමනේ එන්න ඕන. හරි. හැබැයි මෙයා ඊටත් වඩා වැඩි වෙලා තියෙනවා. Right? So like that angles are known as reflex angle. Okay. You note down the small description about this. If the magnitude of an angle is greater than to a straight angle, it is known as a reflex angle.
Sir,
Yes.
you have typed magnitude.
Sorry. Magnitude. T. Okay. TUD. Right. Sometimes when the typing no spelling mistakes, you can see if you can see the spelling mistakes, also inform me. Okay. වැරදිව ලියන්න නැතුව පොඩ්ඩක් දැක්කොත් කියන්න මට. I can see only few students of my screen. Right. Try to on the videos. Right. Okay. I finished note down this, all of you. Anyone still writing?
Yes.
Still writing, sir.
Right.
Right, sir.
No, finished. Finish, sir. Finish, sir.
Right. Okay. Now,
So I have been finished my work.
finish. No. Okay. I think all of you finished now. No. Okay. Can you tell me, are you clear? These 5 types of angles. Can you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the types we studied? First, we
Right
discussed about
angle,
right angle, then
acute
acute
angle,
angle,
triangle,
angle,
obtuse
obtuse angle, and
reflex
reflex angle. Okay. Right. That's the angle types. Okay. Right. Now, you look at the screen. Now, I will draw the picture. I can't draw the beautiful pictures. Okay. I will try to draw. I think you can draw the beautiful pictures. Okay. පොඩි වෙනස් ආකාරයේ වින්ඩෝ එකක් දාමු නේද? හැමතැනම තියෙන විදිහට හැදුවොත් හරිය නෑනේ නේද? Right. I drew the picture. Okay. Right. ඕක ගයක් කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. Right. පේනවද දන්නේ? Okay. Then I will mark this one as the number 1. This one as number 2. This one as number 3. This one as number 4. This one as number 5. 6. 7. 8. Okay, it is enough. Another one. 9. If you want another one, 10. Right. On the higher man, the higher the one. Right. Okay, not need to draw. Okay, you can view the answers with me. Right. Can you tell me what is the type of first angle?
A right angle.
Right angle.
It is a right angle, no? It is a right angle. Right. The right angle එක හැමතිස්සෙම මෙහෙම මාක් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ, හරිද? ඒක සාමාන්‍ය right angle එක represent කරන method එක මෙහෙමත් මාක් කරනවා. හරි, අර symbol එක තමයි මේක. හරි, එහෙනම් මෙතන තියෙන right angle එක නේද? Okay. What is the type of number 10? Number 10, what is the type?
Reflex angle.
Reflex
It is a reflex angle, no? Right. It is a reflex angle. Okay, I ask from you number 1 and 10. Right. Then can you tell me number 2?
Reflex angle.
It is also a reflex angle. Right. Can you tell me number 8? What is the type?
obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle, no?
Obtuse
හරි.
angle.
දැන් මෙහෙම තේරුම් ගන්න බැන්න පොඩ්ඩක් නේද ඔළුවෙන් හිටගෙන හරි බලන්න. ඒක හරි අපි ඉගෙන ගත්ත විදිහට. පුළුවන් නේද? මෙහෙම clearly idea කරගන්න පුළුවන් නේ. idea එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? It is what? Obtuse angle. Okay. Right. Number 7.
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Number 6.
Right angle.
Right angle.
It is a right angle. Number 4.
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Number 3.
Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle, no? Right. අපි දැන් මේක බලන්නකො මෙහෙම ඇන්දොත් straight angle එකක් නේ. මේක මෙහාට කරොත් මෙහෙම ඇන්දොත් මේක right angle එකක්. ඒතර මේ දෙක අතර තියෙනවා කියන්නේ මොකක්ද ඒක? Obtuse angle. Can you tell me number 9 which type?
Reflex
angle.
Reflex angle, no? Reflex. Number 5.
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Okay. I think you can understand, no, this one? Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
That's the lesson, okay? Right? That's all things of this lesson. Lesson number 7. Right? In this lesson, you remember what are the main parts of the angles, arms and vertex. Then how you can draw the angle, right? You have to draw two arms such as meeting at a point, meet at a point. එක point එකදී meet වෙන විදිහට තමයි අඳින්න ඕන. Then what are the types of angle? There are 5 types: right angle, acute angle, straight angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. හරි, ඔය ටික තේරුණා නම් ඔන්න lesson number 7 එක. හරිද? Angles. Are you clear? 100% clear? Or little bit?
100%.
100%, sir. 100%.
Right. හරි. මම දැන් තව දෙයක් කිව්වා නේද මේ lesson එක ඉවර කරලා අපි ඉතිරි time එකෙන් අපේ first lesson එකේ දා දීපු ටික පොඩ්ඩක් discuss කරමු කියලා නේද? Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, අපි බලමු මේ ටිකත්. Okay, that's
Sir?
it. Yes.
මම සර් හංස කතා කරන්නේ අර සර් ක්වෙස්චන් හිටිය හවුස් එකක් ඇඳලා ඊට පස්සේ කරන්නේ මට පවර් කට් එකක් කියලා මම මේ අම්මගේ ෆෝන් එකෙන් ජොයින්ට් උනේ.
ඊට පස්සේ ඒක කරාට පස්සේ මම පොඩ්ඩක් කිව්වේ මොනවද අපි lesson එකේදී ඉගෙන ගත්ත දේවල් කියලා. lesson number 7 එකේදී ඊළඟට මම අර last day එකේ මම දීපු homework එක පොඩ්ඩක් discuss කරන්න ගත්තේ remaining time. Right? lesson number 2 එකේ. tute එකේ දීපු questions. Right? Okay, what are the questions I gave? Lesson question numbers. Which one? 6 no? 6 එක නේද මම කියන්න කියලා කිව්වේ.
6 and 5 sir.
5 and 6 no? 5 and 6 okay. හරි. අපි එහෙනම් 6 එක බලමුද පොඩ්ඩක් කොහොමද කරන්නේ කියලා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ හරියට answers ලියද කියලා බලමු නේද? Right. Word form given. Okay, you have to write the digit form. Right. Now look at how you can write the first one answer. Right. Look at first you identify what are the periods given of this number. Billion period given, no, and also 345,000. 1,000 period given, and this one you can't see the period name, so it should be unit period. Hari meka thamai unit period ekata dila thiyenne. Right. Also you remember the first period. If the first period is a billion period, also should be exist million, thousand, unit. හරිද? බිලියන් පීරියඩ් එකක් තියෙනවා නම් ඊට පස්සේ තියෙන හැම පීරියඩ් එකම තියෙන්න ඕන. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේනවද මෙතන ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා කියලා? නෑ නේද? මොකද්ද පේන්නේ නැති පීරියඩ් එක? Which one?
Million period.
Million period you can't see. හරි එහෙනම් මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන්න ඕන අනිවාර්යෙන්ම මොකද්ද? Million period. But we can't see it. Okay? ඒක පේන්නේ නෑ. පේන්නේ නැහැ කියන්නේ එතන මොකද්ද තියෙන්නේ 0 තියෙනකොට තමයි අපි period name එක ලියන්න නැතුව ලියන්නේ. හරි අනිවාර්යෙන් මේක තියෙන්න ඕන. Right, now look at billion period given 5, 1000 period 345 using the digit you can write like that. Unit period 62. You remember when you write the digit form of the number, every period you have to complete 3 digits. Hari ilakkam 3ක් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම periods වල complete කරගන්න ඕන. But it is not necessary the beginning period not need to complete 3 digits. Hari මුල්ම period එකේ digits 3ක් තිබුණ නැති උනට කමක් නැහැ. මැද තියෙන හැම period එකකම first එකට පස්සේ තියෙන හැම period එකකම අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම digits 3ක් තියෙන්න ඕන. එහෙම නැති වුණොත් වැරදි. Right? How you can complete 3 digits of this number? You can put 0 before 6. Right? Same one, no? 62. 062 means same one. Then 345 has 3 digits. This 0 has only 1 digit, no? So you can put another 2 zeros. The first period, no problem. If you want, you can put another 2 zeros here, but it is not necessary, okay? මුල් පීරියඩ් එකේ නැති වුණාට ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. හැබැයි ඊට පස්සේ තියෙන හැම පීරියඩ් එකේම ඉලක්කම් 3 හදා ගන්න වෙනවා. Right. So you can write the A answer. What is the answer? 5 space. That's a standard form, okay? 000 space 345 space 062. That's the correct writing method of this number. Right, in digit form, standard form. Are you correct? Did you write the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Right. Right. Then I'm going to discuss the B, part B. What are the periods you can see here?
million period.
Yes. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ වගේ කරනකොට මේ වගේ පොඩ්ඩක් පෙන්සිල් එකෙන් ලියා ගත්තාම ලේසියෙන් මේක කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරි කියව ඉන්නවට වඩා. ඒක තමන්ගේ කැමැත්තක්. Right, that's the answer for the first part, A part. Right, then look at this 805 million period. Okay, first period you can see as the million period. If this one has the million period, also should be exist after the million period all periods. What are the other periods? Million වලට පස්සේ තියෙන්නේ පිටිපස්සෙන් තියෙන්නේ මොනවද? 1000 period
speed.
and units period. No, 1000 and unit. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම 1000 unit තියෙනවා. Right, billion එක ගැටලුවක් නැහැ, billion නැහැ නේ ඉස්සරහා. ඒකින්ද ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. Right, now look at the million period 805. 805 writing method like that. Then 65. 65 mean what is the period? It should be the unit period. No, 65 mean unit period. So you can complete the 3 digits like that. Between million and unit period also should be contained 1000 period, but we can't see the 1000 period here. No, so you have to put another 3 zeros between these two periods. Okay, so what is the answer? Part B, 805 space 000 space 065. That's the part B answer. Right, okay, then I am going to simple C. Look at billion period, you can see million period, 1000 period and unit period. Okay, billion period 35, million period 6. So you have to complete 3 digits, double zeros you can put in front of the 6. 301, 67. Okay, then you can write the answer. Simple C, 35 space 006 space 301 space 67 067. That's the answer. Right, then we can go to part D. Look at 19 million, no, million period given. Also after the million period should be contained 1000 period, also it is given. After the 1000 period should be containing unit period, also unit period given. Okay, unit period given 1 means 001. 1000 period, look at 569. Million period 90. First period is no problem, containing 2 digits, but after the first period all periods should be containing 3 digits. Okay, right, now look at simple D answer, how you can write 19 space 569 space 001. But then I'm going to the last question, okay, of this one, last part. Billion period given, also million period, 1000 period and unit period. Look at million period, billion period 953, 953, million period 726, 1000 period 212, unit period 161.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
953, no. 930.
Sorry,
Yes, sir.
935, no, I wrote 53. Okay, 935. Okay, then you can write the final answer 935 space 726 space 212 space 161. Okay, that's the standard form. Right, are you clear this part? Can you understand?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right, okay, that's the writing method. If the word form given, writing method of the standard form, okay, digit form of the large number. හරි එහෙනම් මේ ටික ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ක්ලියර් නේද? අපේ ටයිම් එකත් එක්ක නේද ටයිම් එක එක්සිට් වෙලා තියෙනවා නේද? අපේ අර තව එක ක්වෙස්චන් එකක් දුන්නානේ මම මේක නේද? ඒක අපි ඊළඟ දවසේදී තව ලෙසන් එකක් එක්ක ඉතිරි වෙන ටයිම් එකකින් ඒ ටික කම්ප්ලීට් කරමු. හරිද? හරි දැන් අපි මේ වෙනකොට එන ලෙසන්ස් කීයක් වගේ සාමාන්‍ය රිවයිස් කරගෙන තියෙනවද? 3 lessons no?
4 lessons.
3 lessons no? Lesson number 1 circles, lesson number 2 place value, lesson number 7 angles. හරි අපි ඊළඟ දවසේදී තවත් lesson එකකින් හම්බෙමු. මේ lesson එකේ ඉතිරි ටිකත් ඩිස්කස් කරන්න යමු. right? Yes.
Sir, අනිත් ආය කවදද පන්ති තියෙන්නේ sir?
ඔයගොල්ලෝ ටයිම් ටේබල් එකක් දාන්නම් මේ වීක් එකට කවදද තියෙන්නේ කියලා. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ක්ලාස් එක තියෙනවා සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක මොකද්ද කියලා දාන්නම්. ආයෙමත් තියෙනවා Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday. 3 days for a week, Tuesday, Saturday and Sunday. Right?
Okay sir.
ඒ ටයිම් ටේබල් එක කියන්නේ සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක මොකද්ද කියලා
Sir,
බලමු Tuesday අපි මොකද්ද
Tuesday එකේ තියෙන
බලමු.
Tuesday තියෙන 7
Tuesday 7 pm yes 7 pm. right එදාටත් බලමු අපි maths එකක් කරනවද maths නේ වැඩිපුර ඕගොල්ලෝගේ lessons තියෙන්නේ නේද maths lessons 8ක් තියෙනවා science lessons 3යි health lessons 3යි හරි බලමුකෝ මම ඕගොල්ලෝ group එකට එවන්නම් මොකක්ද කරන subject එක කියලා okay right okay
health class
health class I hope to do after complete maths and science part